Hello everyone, welcome to Inspired. So in this video let's learn tenses. So tenses are the forms of verb that let us to express when an action or event occurs. So present, past and future are the three primary tenses in English. So each of which has several subcategories. So present tense subcategories are simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. And its structure of simple present is subject plus V1 plus S or ES. An example, I speak English. Present continuous structure is a subject plus am or is or are plus V4. And example, I am speaking English. Now structure of present perfect is subject plus has or have plus V3. And example, he has spoken English. Present perfect continuous tense structure is subject plus has or have plus been plus V4. So example, he has been speaking English since morning. Now past tense subcategories are simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Simple past structure is subject plus V2 plus object, and example is I spoke English. Structure of past continuous is subject plus was or were plus V4, and example I was speaking English. Past perfect structure is subject plus had plus V3, and example I had spoken English. Past perfect continuous tense structure is subject plus had been plus V4, and example I had been speaking English since morning. Now future tense subcategories are simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Structure of simple future, shall, subject plus shall or will plus V1. Example, I shall speak English. And future continuous structure is subject plus shall or will be plus V4. And example, I shall be speaking English. Future perfect structure is subject plus shall or will plus have plus V3 plus object. So example, I shall have spoken English. Okay, next future perfect continuous tense structure, subject plus will or shall plus have been plus V4. And example, I shall have been speaking English for 15 minutes.